Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. My software is showing me a system B scalp opportunity. I haven't made a withdrawal yet. I'm going to make another withdrawal soon, so let's use a smaller lot size of like 5 lot size on this account. Making a buy, setting my take profits. There you go. I'm expecting a profit of over. Yeah, there you go. I'm expecting a profit of over $1,000. So far, we started this account with $250. Oof, there was a big spike during news there. It's still risky taking trades here, so that's why I'm actually using a smaller lot size also. And yeah, we've made a withdrawal of over $10,350 so far. We've gotten our profit of about $70,000 in profit, and we'll be making a withdrawal very soon. Maybe I'll wait till after the trade. Maybe I'll wait while the trade is. Maybe I'll take the withdrawal while the trade is going on. Maybe I'll take a profit of withdrawal of about another additional $10,000 or $15,000 so far. So then we would have made a withdrawal of $25,000 so far from this $250. I've been trading high risk. I've been uploading every single step, and I've been sending you guys the login details in my Telegram group. Make sure to join the Telegram group. If you want to copy my trades, sign up with Milga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account and send me proof of that on Telegram. And yeah, if you want to test my software for free also, that does all the analysis for 1 week, sign up with Milga Markets. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account and send me proof of that on Telegram. And yeah, let's see how this trade plays out. If you want to join me live, learning how to scalp, swing, with live trades and hedge out your trades so that you don't lose any losses you encounter in the market. You hedge it out. You can even make some profit. Go to hedgingmastermind.com and we'll be right back once we're into more profits in this trade. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys. So I'm live with my students and we want to start taking trades. So I'm going to just close this scalp trade very quickly. You can see my student is live with me. And there we go. $1,400 in profits made. It didn't hit my target, but I need to use the account to just teach my students some things. I've already made $15,000 withdrawal on the account, so we've made in total $15,000, over $15,000, no, over $25,000 in withdrawal. I just made $15,000 in withdrawal, so I just kept saying 15,000. So we've made over $25,000 in withdrawal. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You get the software that does all the analysis for you, and you can also get it on TradingView. And yeah, let me just get back right with my students. We're about to take some live trades, which you can also learn also. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe. We'll be right back once we have another scalp trade in the market.